Good morning, student. Now it's time for your science class, and this is your science book, Science for Class 3. Today we will be starting a new chapter, Chapter 1, that is Living and Non-Living Thing. Living and non-living thing, Chapter 1. We see different things around us. All these things can be grouped as living and non-living things. So we see around us many things. It can be either grouped as living or non-living things. Living and non-living things. Animals and plants have life. We call them living things. Things such as pencils, stones, bags and bottles do not have life. They are called non-living things. So things that have life, like animals and plants and human beings, they are called living things. And things like pencil box, stones, bags, bottles, they do not have life, so they are called as non-living things. Natural and man-made things. Non-living things can be man-made or natural. Roads, houses, computers and furniture are things that are made by humans, so they are known as man-made things. The things that are made by man are known as man-made things. The sun, moon, stars, water and the soil, they are found in nature. So they are not made by humans, and so they are natural things. So what are natural things like sun, moon, stars, air, water? These are not made by humans, so they are the natural things. And the roads, houses, computers, furniture, they are made by man, and so they are known as man-made things. Now, features of living things. Living things move. Number 1, humans walk, run, jog and skip. Animals move from one place to another in search of food, water, shelter and other things they need. Cows, tigers, lions, dogs and cats walk and run. Birds fly while fish swim. Snails and earthworms crawl. Frogs hop. Plants move differently. The leaves of the mimosa plant close when it is touched. A sunflower turns to face towards the sun. Climbers such as money plants move to upwards with the support of a sticky stick as they grow. So all these things that we have read now, they move from one place to another in different ways. So they are known as living things. Living things breathe. Living things need to breathe air to stay alive. So we all know that living things, they need air to stay alive. Air contains the gas oxygen which the body needs to burn food and release energy. So we need the gas oxygen which helps the body to burn out and release energy. Humans and animals such as cows, cats, sheep, goats and tigers breathe through nose. Fish breathe through the gills. Insects breathe through holes, and the earthworms breathe through their skin. So the animals, like you all know, different animals breathe through different parts of their body. Cows, cats and sheep, they breathe through nose. Fish breathe through gills, and insects, they breathe through the holes, and the earthworms breathe through the skin. A plant breathes through tiny holes in its leaves called pores or stomata. Now living things grow. A baby grows to become a child, and then they become an adult. A chick hatches out of an egg. It grows to become a hen. A calf grows into a cow. A cub grows into a lion. And tadpole, the baby frog, is known as tadpole. They grow to become frogs. Now see, a seed grows into a seedling or a baby plant, and further that grows into, when we sow the seed, when we sow the seed into the water, into the soil, grows slowly and slowly. This baby plant, they grows further into a plant. Living things need water, food and water. Living things need food and water. So food gives us energy. Water is necessary to stay alive. Green plants prepare their own food through the process. What is photosynthesis? The green plants, they prepare the food through the process. These are called photosynthesis. They need water, air and sunlight to prepare this food. The animals get their food from where do we animals get? They get their food from plants or other animals. Living things reproduce. Reproduce means they give birth to the young ones. A new baby is born. Birds, fish and snakes lay eggs. Little ones hatch out of the eggs. Humans and animals such as dogs, cats, cows, horses, elephant and giraffe, they give birth to babies. Hen, birds, fish and they lay eggs. They lay eggs, and that little ones, they hatch out of this. Whereas the animals like dogs, cats, crows, cows, elephant, horses and giraffe, they give birth to babies. Baby plants grow from seeds of an adult plant. Living things feel. Humans and animals, they feel changes around them with the help of the sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the sense organs that you all know. Skin helps us to feel hot and cold. Whenever we touch any hot thing, suddenly spontaneously our hand is removed because the thing is particular hot. When we touch something hot, we immediately move away our hand. When we feel cold, we cover ourselves in woolen clothes. Our eyes help us to see a speeding car and we move away from it. Caterpillars sense using long hair that grows through holes all over their body. So how they feel? With the help of their long hair. A butterfly uses its antenna to smell and find food. You must have seen butterfly antenna. This helps them to feel, smell and find food. Plants too feel changes around them. They can feel light and grow towards it. Sunflower turns towards light. A mimosa leaf closes when it is touched. Non-living things do not move, breathe and grow. They do not need food and water, nor do they reproduce and feel. So non-living things, they do not move, they do not reproduce, they do not feel, they do not grow, they do not have life in it. The leaves, no more. The leaves on some trees respond to the changes of season. The leaves of the tree shown in the picture are turning brown during the autumn seasons. So living things move, they reproduce, they feel, they breathe, they grow and they need food and water. Whereas non-living things, they do not move, they do not breathe, they do not grow and they do not need food and water. They do not reproduce nor do they can feel. What are natural things? The things that are made by nature, they are found in nature, like a sun, moon, air, stars, they are found in nature. These are known as natural things. And the man-made things like roads, houses, computers and furniture that are made by man is known as man-made things. So we have finished this chapter. Along with this video, I will be giving you the name the following and match the following, fill in the blanks, multiple choice questions. Copy all this in your notebook. Thank you.